everyone, it is I, Phantom Brainwolf, and today we are doing Ratchet and Clank once again. Now I know you guys have been waiting for this series for a very, probably long time. So today I'm going to be doing this. Today we're going to be doing the hoverboard races like we promised in the last video. So I have to go this way, so... Ooh, sorry if I can get spooky! Woo! Ooh, I might have to do justice. I've been dead for a pretty long time. That is perfect, I think. Yeah, so we have to do the hoverboard races. So let's collect these boxes first. Oh god. I think my objective is to try to do this level. I think Brennan Wolf said, or my original version apparently, said that these give you boost powers. So we're gonna try to do as much as we can. So, oh, I failed. Okay, one more time. Oh, it resets. That's perfect. Come on, losers. Dodge that. Jump up. I always hated this when I was a kid. I always would lose because I sucked. I think my objective is trying to win this and it's I reset it. That's perfect. Get that ring. The booster's on the way down. Watch out for these. For fourth place, we can do it. Oh, if I could actually just do this in one try, that would be perfect. No! No! That was dumb. I know that was dumb. I already knew that. Oh, watch out. Nope, you're not going to get me this time. I don't appreciate this. Yeah, loser. And Haley might do the next Let's Play. And she might. Oh my god, get away! Your turn! I'm gonna restart. Quit. I'm gonna restart. Our objective is to get ahead of these people. So there's only 5th place and 4th place. Nope. I'm not letting you beat me this time. Ooh, get that. Oh, we're almost 1st place. We can do this. Now, if I could do this in one video, then that would be nice. We're trying so hard in this level. Oh, I need to get the booster. I'm just gonna dive down. This is easier. Come on, loser. Not even close. No! Oh god! I almost got that! And now we're 3rd place behind! No! I need a boost! I need a boost. Thank you. I hope the stupid cobble ball doesn't get placed. I really hate that ball. If I can get this in one go... Oh, we have to start again. Continue. I think there's only like 3 laps. So if I can get this in one shot, then that would be nice, so we don't have to like... do it again and then go to the next level all the time. about to watch me 360 this dude. Oh, if I could stay in first place all this time, then I would be good. Oh, nope. No! We're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. Failure is not an option. No! That totally messed me up! No, that's not fair! Oh my god, I hate hoverboards! Oh my god! No, I'm gonna quit! No, I'm quitting! I'm gonna keep quitting until I get it right. If I can't get this in this video, then Haley will have to... Sam Haley will have to do it. One more time. One more time. One more try. Boost it. Oh, I'm not gonna catch up. Boost. If I can get this into almost one video, then I would be great. That would be great. Jump. If I can get this in this one video, then that would be lovely. Come on! We're almost catching up with him. Yes! This guy is trying to beat me. This guy is serious. Oh, I think we're gonna win. Failure is not an option. No! 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 I had that! No, okay, ooh. No! I am not losing today. I don't feel like doing this again. No! No, you're not gonna go over there. You're gonna sit back and watch me win. Oh, I'm gonna lose again. Haley might have to do this. Yeah, I lose. I knew it. Let's see what time we're at. Okay, we still have a couple more minutes. I could finish this. Okay, we still have a couple more minutes. That's good. Okay, just press quit. Okay, our objective is to get all the boosters this time. That's because that's what we need. No, you guys lose. Oh, we're third place right away. Thank you, game. I love you. Nope. I'm in second place. We can do this in this one last shot. If that guy would hit that... No! No! I am not accepting this! No! I am not accepting this today. I don't feel like doing this. I really hate this game right now. It hates me. Can't believe Master Shaq quit the clan because he's a butthole. Jump with the ring. I'd love to get this in one video. Oh, we have one more guy to catch up. Nope. We're gonna get him. No! No! I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm going to keep restoring until I get it right. This is gonna be the last time. I can't handle this anymore. I might be dead, but I still have a stupid brain, you idiot. If everyone likes to cheat, I'll do that too. Okay? Thank you. I'd love to get this in one video. I can film up to 15 minutes if I wanted to. So you might be seeing that. No! 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 One more time! One more time, jerks! I'll kill you! Ugh, I hate these races! I swear to the Ice King I do. This is gonna be the last time. I'm not gonna handle this anymore. Oh, no, 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 no! I am not accepting that. No! I am not accepting that. Sorry I'm late. I was just hanging out with Phantom Haley the last couple weeks. Sorry for guys for doing that. I may be all burned up, but I still have a freaking brain, you idiots. Yes, that's what we needed. That guy's trying to beat us. I think the boost blows him up faster, though. Yes, I think we're gonna do it this time. Yes, first. Feel like a winner now. This guy is trying hard. I'm done. I'm actually done. I'm done with this. Alright guys, so please give this video a thumbs if you liked it. Please subscribe to this channel. Let us know down in the comments below if you want Phantom Haley to do the next Let's Play. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye everybody. I'm done.